show you how to set up an iPhone 14. Select your language, select your region. Usually you have to set it up with Wi-Fi or through the computer, but this one's already been set up. Confirm the privacy, set up your Face ID, set up your passcode if you want to. Add your Apple ID.
Hi, I'm Siri.
Set up the Siri. I'm going to show you a little known feature that I've set up on my iPhone 14 Pro Max. It's called the back tap. If you tap the back twice, it locks the screen. I'll show you how to set it up. Go to settings, scroll down to accessibility, then go to touch, and at the bottom of the screen you'll have back tap. I've set double tap for lock screen. You can set it up for many other different features, but there's also something called triple tap. Tap the back 3 times and it'll take you back home. All you got to do is tap the back twice and the screen will lock. If you have an iPhone that's not responding, this is the quickest way to hard reset it. Press the volume up button quickly, volume down button quickly, hold the power button in on the side. And then the phone will restart. The quick and simple way to factory reset an Apple iPhone. This will work for most iPhones 7 and above. First thing you do is you go into Settings, scroll to General, down the bottom to Transfer or Reset iPhone, and then you want to erase all contents and settings. Go Continue and erase iPhone.